Jumbo. Here's Roberts number 4. Pass to Bautista, number 88 from the left corner. No basket. There's number 15. The tallest guy is on the floor. Jay Baker right now. Number 2, bringing the ball, switch to the right pocket. Attacking the basket, there's a whistle and a foul committed by number 5. Number 4. First personal foul and first team foul for the Rockets.
Iatras yung upuan.
Ayusin mo tawag po first ha. First free throw basket. Jumpers ready. No basket. Number 19. No. He's looking for the rebound. And is bringing the ball down. Pass to Bautista, number 88. Bautista, nowhere to go. Pass to the right corner. Blocked by number 19, Jumbo. Elcol, sorry. Maling Elcol pala. Hindi Jumbo. There's number 12. Number 19 for the rebound. And the shoot. Number 12 attacking the basket. Pass to number 28. Open fire. No basket. Dean for the rebound. No basket again. Number 19 tries again. Good for 2. Here's number 18. Pass to number is calling by number 12. Here's the bullet pass. Intercepted. Here's the outlet pass. Pass to number 18. Intercepted again by the Jay Papers. Here's number 12. Slowly but surely, number 28 for Roma. Number 2. Here's Roma. Back to number 28. Basket. No joy. Here's number 2. Open fire. No joy again. Turnaround jumper. Is it a goal? No. Number 19 for the rebound. Number 19 forcing his way in. Yeah. Basket for 2. Here's number 88, Bautista. Bautista tries to attack the basket. Here's Kulowski. Nowhere to go. Number 88, Bautista. 5 to shoot. Number 19 for the rebound. Here's number 12. Is stolen. And there's a whistle and a foul committed by number 19. Number 12. Substitution.
Asan ba yung payong ni Daddy? May payong kay Daddy. Payong ni Daddy.
There's number 88, Bautista. Pass to Kulowski. Open fire behind the arc. 4, 3.
Wala sa akin!
Number, 12.
Doon. Di ba nakapark yung car?
First personal foul at number 12 and first team foul. Oh, second team foul.
Pindutin mo. Oh, wait ako.
First free throw, no basket. Jumpers ready. Basket. Here's Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Abo. Inside pass to Kulowski. Back to Bautista. Open fire from behind the arc. Number 19 of Jay Papers for the rebound. Here's the point guard, number 2, bringing the ball down for Jay Papers. Here's the pass to number 12. Number 12, inside pass to number 28. No basket. Number 19 for the putback. No joy. Bakit tayo mga pogi? Bakit tayo?
One, two, three. Labas ka muna.
There's number 77, pass to number 14, inside to number 30 for a turnaround jumper, no basket. Abu for the rebound. Here's the pass to number 12. Number 12 to the center, number 04, back to number 12, inside pass, intercepted and stolen by number 28. Here's the outlet pass to number 14 for 2 points. Bautista.
Makaihi ka na?
Bautista, a turnaround dribble pass to Abu. Abu, and there's a 3 seconds violation committed by the Rockies. Our score is 8-3, 5 minutes and 47 remaining time for the first quarter. Here's Jake Papers, number 14. Left corner, number 77, basket.
Bata pa pala to. Sinasalang eh.
Bautista from the right corner. Nowhere to go, and there's a whistle.
Paul.
Foul, number 30. First personal foul at number 30 and second team foul for Jake Papers. Is stolen by number 14. Basket is good. Is Abu. Abu stop and pass. Jumper, no basket. There's a foul committed by number 11 of Jake Papers. Here's number 30. Here's the pass to number 28. Number 28, looking for an open man. Finds number 14, attacking the basket. Inside pass to number 11. Good for good. Intercepted pass by number 30. Here's number 30, wide and 2 points.
Receiver!
Here's number 19. Is stolen by number 11. 77 Roger. Here's the trap. Number 77 again. And a foul committed by number 4. Timeout. Rookie.
Bautista. Sa araw ng Jay, nasa tayo mo. Number 77. Foul by
88.
Bautista. First personal foul. Arming for penalty.
Ay!
First row, wala. Second row, basket. Bautista. Inasa na number.
Uy, nakascore din.
12 more, basket for 2. Ayan o, pinasa kay number 11. Na foul ni number... mga bossing, dapat na yun dito. Abens, mainit na dyan. First row, basket.
Dali lang naman yan dyan eh. Ayan! Sa likod ni Nikos. Tingin kasi. Tatalikod kasi. Bilis ng oras. Up! Outside.
Tara na, anak. Ano pa yung
After oh.
ay, sumama ka na sa tinira. Kunin mo na yun.
May putik ata. Madulas, Dad. May putik.